Dedication to all them leaders and the voters. Sensitization to avoid a bloody situation in this lovely nation. Listen to the entertainment. This is a serious matter. With a son and father and mother. A serious matter. With all the citizens, leader and mother. I don't know what is wrong with my people. To enter all this to say. Especially Mujisa, that in the killing of Kurunda, Ujai, Musuka. That is what Akuka Nakaima Kabasumesi. If Alama tell you Kurunda, Zadiga, Nabuta, Kulu, Kubakunabi, Ole Kanga, Religion Kula, Sakuka Kurunda, Gende Kurunde,
Will you vote me? If you vote me, I will make sure I will inspire my fellow people that they will ensure peace, discipline, and unity at school. Will you vote me? If you vote me, I'll make sure every child has discipline. Will you vote me? Thank you.
Akram has left the stage. DJ
Baba Simba wo, wasala wone we Simba wo chitete zolina kumageza katusinda ko. Toda kukatuti kuboma bovuganya, wabula tutabile tumatile tusalewo. Jukila bemukola na febye tukola, wewe munene nganeno mulilo kwe mukuma. Chekukasa chinga go mulilo kukumye, ate nolekanga fabalonzi tutingana. Tagala Uganda ya femwe mjikuze, nga mutu katate mutawula, sabe kuba kulonda tugende tulonde naye. Obululu tebutwawula, tube mukuyumba olwabo wabe Simba